Hey guys, I'm Ariana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this really nice pop of color, very colorful, summery, really easy, bold, graphic eyeshadow eye makeup look. Also, I tried out soap brows and I don't know how I feel about them. I just feel like my brows look like a mess. So every time you've heard me say my eyebrows are weird, this is what I mean. So this is, yeah. Anyway, the palette that I used for this look was the Ace Beauté Scarlet Dusk palette. So this is kind of the color palette that I was going for, like a really nice summery, bright eyeshadow look. So I used this light orange shade, this pinkish burgundy shade, and then this really light pink shade. So I also used my favorite eyeshadow brush, which is this flat shader brush from Lavish Cosmetics. Then I just went ahead and packed on the orange shade in the inner corner. So basically what you want to do is kind of create like an eyeshadow kind of cut crease shape. So just following the shape of your lid. So I'm kind of using my crease as a guide and I'm just packing on the orange shade onto the lid. And basically I did actually prime my lids with some concealer, but it did match my skin tone because there's nothing going on above my crease, so I wanted it to look like skin. So like I said, I'm just packing the orange shade on first and using my crease as a guide. So I'm kind of trying to keep the top crease area really clean because I want this to be like a bold graphic eyeshadow look. Then I went ahead and used the light pink shade and I put that right next to the orange shade. So I took the orange shade mostly to the middle of the eyelid and then I packed on the pink shade toward the outer corner, but I also left a space in the like actual outer corner for the last shade that we're going to be applying. And then I just kind of blended these two shades together by kind of dabbing them and just like gradually adding the pink onto the orange, and that just blended it together really nice. And like I said, I'm trying to mimic my crease shape and make the top part of the eyeshadow look really nice and clean so I don't have to go back and clean it up later. If you want, you can also use concealer to cut your crease just so it will be easier for you to fill in, and that will just make it really clean. But I am pretty good at just keeping it clean, but even if it's not like 100%, that's perfectly fine. So then the last thing that I did was take that dark burgundy shade and I just packed it on in the outermost corner. And then I also just kind of winged it out, so like I just used like the tip of the brush to create that wing shape. And like I said, I'm just making sure that there's like precision in the top crease area, and we're just gonna wing it out. And even if the bottom is kind of blurry or like the wing isn't as sharp as you want, that's perfectly fine because we will end up cleaning that up with concealer later. So like I said, I am just packing on this dark burgundy shade and blending it in with that light pink shade and then just winging it out. And I'm also just trying to kind of make sure that the wings are even, that they're going in the same directions, and that they are the same length, and also keeping the top of the crease area really nice and clean and making sure that all of the colors blend together. So after I finished applying this burgundy shade, I went ahead in with another pop of color that I felt would go good with this color palette from the Beauty Glazed color board palette. This palette is from Amazon and it is one of my favorite rainbow palettes. I used this yellow right here and I just kind of packed that onto my inner corner. I just thought this would be like a really nice contrasting color to this whole colorful eyeshadow look. So I literally just put that on the inner corner and just packed it in, and I kind of brought it up into the orange, which kind of created like a really nice lighter orange right next to that yellow, which just blended really pretty, and it just made it just look like a really nice blend of like all of the colors together. So that is all that I did for that. Then I went ahead and took some concealer, which is the same concealer I used to carve out my eyebrows, and my concealer brush, and then I just went ahead and cleaned up the outer corner. So this is the part where you're going to make your wing look nice and sharp, and just clean it up. And also, if it isn't symmetrical, you can make it symmetrical using this this technique, or this part of the routine. So I basically just kind of followed my lower lash line and just brought the eyeshadow up using concealer, just cleaning it up and just making it look really nice and crisp. And you don't need a lot of concealer to do this either, but this is one of my favorite parts of eyeshadow. It just brings everything together so well, and it just makes it look so finished. So after that, I went ahead and applied mascara. This is what the look looks like. I didn't really do anything else except for mascara and lashes. You can definitely wear this look with mascara alone if that is what you like to do, but I did go ahead and add some lashes. Also, you can definitely add some lower lash line definition. You can do whatever you want to the lower lash line. You can add liner in your waterline, or you can even just mimic these shades on your lower lash line and do the exact same thing, and that would look really, really interesting too. Very bold, very graphic. I like that. I just didn't do that for me because I just didn't feel like it, but that would have looked nice as well. So this is what it looks like with mascara alone, and then I went ahead and applied some false lashes. Also, when I do go for these types of winged out kind of eyeshadow looks, I like to use the lashes that are also kind of flared out toward the end, rather than like doll-like lashes which are like staggered and don't really flare out, or like just lashes that wing out, because it just goes with the flow of the eye shape that we're trying to create with the wing. So this is the final look. This is how it came out. It was super easy to do. Like I said, I was trying to keep the top really nice and clean, and it doesn't look 100%, but that is totally fine because it's just makeup, so don't even worry about it. But that was it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. I would definitely wear this in the summertime. I've been feeling these colors so much lately, but let me know what you think. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up as well if it helped you out at all. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'm a fan of this look. I like it a lot. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!